Good day, sir. Room service, this is Kenneth Olivaw. How may I assist you today?
Good day, sir. I would like to order. What are your available dishes?
Yes, sir. We have burger, banana roll, and pour drinks Coke.
Okay, I'll have burger, banana roll, and Coke, please.
Okay, sir. I repeat your order. That's burger, banana roll, and pour drinks Coke. If you need anything else, just call room service.
That's all po.
Thank you for order, sir. May I confirm your room number?
Room 305.
Noted, sir. Room 305, your order will be delivered within 20 minutes. Thank you for calling room service.
Okay, thank you. Come in, sir.
Good day, sir. I have your order. This is burger, banana roll, and Coke. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Are you done, sir? May I clear your table?
Yes, come in.